Class 6, Lesson 9, Science, second part, page number 90. Interaction among biotic compound, plant and animal depend on each other for various needs. Animal depend on plant mainly for food and shelter. Animal is turn help plant by providing carbon dioxide, pollination, flower dispersing, seed act in nature. The following relationship interactionships exist. Plants use energy from the sun and prepare their one food from carbon dioxide and water. They are called producers. Herbivores such as rabbit, deer, and elephant that feed on plant are called primary consumer. Carnivores such as wolf, tiger, and lion that feed on herbivores are called secondary consumer. Omnivores such as bear, crow, and human being feed on both plant and other animals. They are also secondary consumer. Animals that feed on the dead body of the other animals all called scavenger कहलाता है. For example, hyena and vultures, tiny organisms that feed on the bodies of the dead plants and animals to break down into simple substance are called decompose. Bacteria and fungi are common decompose scavenger and decompose feed on dead plants and animals or release the nutrient trapped inside their body into the soil. These nutrients are then absorbed by plant which help them to grow and prepare food. Interaction of abiotic component with biotic component. All biotic components in a habitat share the abiotic components such as air, water, soil, temperature, and sunlight. There is consist interaction between the two type of the component. For example, plants need light, water, and air to prepare food. They need soil to grow. The animal also cannot live without food, water, air, sunlight. Both plant and animals need a certain temperature range to survive. In other words, they need a certain amount of heat from the sun. Habitat means a natural dwelling place on the surrounding where a particular organism live and find food and shelter. Several kinds of organisms, many share the same habitat. They depend on their habitat for their food, water, air, shelter, temperature, light, and other needs. Then may be the home for a lion, but the habitat includes the forest area around it, where the lion roams, hunt, goes for drinking water. Act the habitat of an animal or a plant is the area what is live in nature. Zoo is not a habitat of the animal that we see there. Their habitat are the area where they live are found naturally. Thus, an area where the condition for the existence of a living organism are present and where it can survive, breed, and flourish is called the habitat of that organism. For example, the habitat of a fish is a sea, lake, river, or pond of a frog is a pond of a lake. The habitat of an earthworm is most soil. The habitat of a lion is a forest. The habitat of a camel and a cactus plant is the dry sandy desert. Both abiotic and biotic components are essential for the survival of an organism. Thus, a habitat consists of both abiotic and biotic component. For example, some of the components that must be present in the habitat of a lion are the herbivore animals that the lion can hunt and feed upon sufficient rainfall and suitable temperature for the lion and the plant the herbivores eat to survive. Beside, the air must be smoke free and proper sunlight should be here. There must also the scavenger and decomposer type of habitat. Animal and plants live either on land or in water. There are many type of habitat. However, they may be broadly ground as terrestrial and aquatic. Desert, mountain, forest, grassland, and coastal region are some terrestrial habitat. Ocean, sea, swamps, lakes, ponds, and rivers are some aquatic habitat. There are large variations in each type of habitat on different part of globe. There is also a wide variety of organisms present in different habitat. Forests are large area covered with tree and plant. Forest cover about 1/3 of 1 planet. There are three major types of forest of Earth. Tropical rainforest. These regions uh, review heavy rainfall throughout the year. The annual animal is more than 200 centimeter. Temperature 20 degree and 34 degree. Organisms found are gorillas, monkey, jaguars, macaws, orchid, vines, mosses, and ferns. Most trees are evergreen. Temperature forest annual rainfall is about 150 centimeter and is even throughout the year. Temperature minus 30 to 30 degree. Organisms found and fox, bald eagle, mountain lion, black bear, oak, maple, and elm. Most trees are deciduous. They shed their leaves once a year, most in winter. Boreal forest annual snowfall 40 to 100 centimeter. Temperature minus 50 to 30 degree. Organisms found are wolf, lynx, fox, deer, have bear, bats, moose, pine, fir, and spruce. Most trees are evergreen. Grassland. There is much grass here. There are not many trees and shrubs. Have annual rainfall 50 to 90 centimeter. Temperature minus 20 to 30 degree. Organisms found are giraffe, zebra, elephant, gazelle, and lion. Annual rainfall less than 25 centimeter. Desert very little rainfall. Daytime temperature summer can be reached 45 degree. Organisms found are camel, rattle, snake, and cactus. Tall mountain of polar region. These are extremely cold. The lowest temperature recorded ever in the Antarctic in the south is minus 80 degree. Animals found in mountain are yak, mountain goat, and sheep. Animals found in the polar region are polar bear, seal, walrus, and penguin. फ्रेश वाटर aquatic habitat it is of three type होते हैं. फ्रेश वाटर habitat water bodies living rain water river lakes pond act are called fresh water habitat. Organisms found are fish frog duck lotus and water lily. उसके बाद में marine habitat ocean and sea are called the marine habitat. Large variety of organisms is found here. Fish, shark, jellyfish, crabs, starfish, sea turtle, octopus, whale, plankton, and sea beasts. Coastal habitat it is the region where the land meets the sea. Estuaries are regions where salt water from of ocean meets with fresh water from rivers. Organisms found are crabs, oysters, waterfalls, mangroves, seaweeds, and marsh grasses. Adaptation of surrounding. Different kind of animal and plant are found in the desert, mountain, forest, grassland, sea, lake, and pond. In the sea, the animal and plant are surrounded by salty water. Most of them use the air dissolved water, but there is very little water everywhere. In the desert, it is very hot in the daytime and very cold at night. In the desert, the animal plants of the desert live on the desert soil and breathe the dry air from surrounding. It is interesting to compare one animal species from these two surrounding or habitat. Fish from the sea, the camel from the desert. The body feature of fish help them to live inside water. Fishes have slippery scale on their bodies. These scales protect the fish and also help them in easy movement through water. They are have streamlined shape which help them move fast inside water. Their flat finish and tails help them to keep their body balanced in water and to change direction. They use oxygen dissolved in water through the gills. Body feature of camel help them to survive in desert. They have long legs which help them to keep their bodies away from the heat of the hot sand. They excrete small amount of urine. Their dung and dry and they do not sweat. Thus they can live for many days without water. The presence of specific body features of certain habit which enable an animal for a plant to live its surrounding or habitat in called adaptation. It other words, different animal or plant are adapt to their surrounding in different way. Adaptation to do not take place in a short time.